we'll study the next topic, that is the final variables. We know there are three uses for final. The first one is, so first we'll see in your syllabus. See, we have that mentioned in your syllabus, that is the final variables and methods. Next, final classes, the finalized methods. Today we'll discuss these three: the final variables, the final methods, and final classes. Okay, see here. So final variables. So okay, the final variables. First, we'll see what is the see final variables. So what is the use of final variables? So the final variables are nothing but the constant variables. In other programming languages, we use to define a constant variables. In case of C, is to define the constant variables or a global variables. So similar way, in Java we have a final keyword to declare a variable as a final. So here in the first we'll discuss what are the final variables. See here, the data members can be declared as a final, means you can declare a data member. So data member is nothing but the member, the variables declared within a class. So those can be declared as a final. So just remember, before declaration, just proceed with the final see the final keyword or the final modifier. So what is the use of final here is, if this final keyword is used to declare a variable as a constant, so you cannot change the final variable method value. You cannot change the final variable value. So okay, so it is indirectly declaring a constant variables or the global variable. See, so it prevents its contents being modified, essentially a constant. As I said, it prevents the final variable. So declaring a data member as a final means it is being so it prevents its content being modified, essentially a constant means. So these, once you declare a variable as a final, you cannot modify it. So means you cannot modify the constant, the final variable value. So see, it indirectly you cannot modify, means it is indirectly a constant variable only. So okay, next is, it must be initialized while declaring a final variable. During the declaration of any variable, if you want to make that specific variable as a constant, just initialize that variable with some value and declare it as a final, so that this value cannot be modified for in a further programming, means in case in programming. So this is what the use of the final modifier or the final keyword. So here the third point, must be initialized while declaring a final variable. So now it's a common coding convention to choose all uppercase identifiers for final fields. So here in this example, in the last, see in the examples you can see the final int file new. So new is declared, new is assigned with the 1. The final see the final int file open, it's declared with the 2. The final int pi, so the pi value is 3.142. we are declaring these so these variables with initializing. Here at the time of declaration only we are initializing, because this value cannot be modified. So once you assign these variables, you cannot modify in your programming line, in your program. So these are these final variables act as a constant variables or a global variables. Indirectly you can say that global variables. In C we used to declare global variables. Global variables are some constant variables. Now here the method parameters and the local variables can be declared as a final. So method parameters and local variables. So within C, the meaning here is method parameters. So method parameters means, so just remember, the method parameters are method members within a method or a local variables can be declared as a final. Means the methods, the local members within a method, these can be also declared as a final. So local variable final prevents it from being assigned a value more than once. So as I said, so just remember what is the use of final variables. just the final variables are used to create some constant variables. So constant variables are nothing but see, the constant variables are as you can see, these are some global variables. These final variables also consider the global variables. Now the second point, it prevents the content being modified, means once you assign any value to a final variables, you cannot modify those values. Okay, so next is it must be initialized, means during a declaration of a variables you should initialize values. Okay, next is its common coding convention. So in most common coding convention, some standard coding convention, so that the all final variables should be in uppercase only. Okay, so this is a standard coding convention or a common coding convention, you can say. Next is a method parameters. So there is a possibility like method local variables or method parameters to be declared as a final. Okay, next is local variable final prevents it from being assigned a value more than once, means once you assign any value to a final variable, once you assign any variable see any value to a final variables or a final data members, so these you cannot assign once again any values to this final variables or a final data members. So once you assign any value at the initial stage, and those are the finals. Okay, so now these are some, this is about the final keyword. So more explanation is not required, only this much is there. So just remember, final variables is used to create some constant variables. Okay, next we'll move on to the next, that is the final methods.